Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera grid lines at this device. Let's start by tapping to the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and one of these is the Show Grid Lines button. So just one tap here and we can turn on the camera grid lines, another tap to turn them off. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that now they are turned on, and here in the camera preview we can see these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rear third in photography. Also, when we tap to the right corner once again and to the bottom of this button, we get access to more grid lines. As you can see, we have 4 options, so let's pick another one, and here we can see how they look like. They are also useful when we want to making experiments with our composition in photography. Another tap to the right corner to the bottom of Show Grid Lines option, and let's move to the next one view, the spiral with left side, and this is how it looks like. And we have here also the spiral with right side. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real photo, so they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we have to tap to the right corner button once again and to the Show Grid Lines button, so for now they have gone in the preview. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.